What's up, everyone? I'm gonna go head up, check out some ice racers this weekend. We're gonna go meet up with Chasing Shadows, Boosted FPV, Kua, Bad Luck FPV, but not before we meet up with Greg. Head up to Superman Moto's place, check out the super studs he puts on his Tiburon. Maybe do a little long range around the lake at his place. He sets up this whole big oval and a Grand Prix. We are gonna be flying the Deep6 DeepDesigns waterproof drone. I'm hoping that most of the weekend I'm gonna be flying this if we don't crash it early. This thing is bagged. It's conformal coated, carries a GoPro, and I've got HD Zero in it. I love this drone. It's great peace of mind to know that this thing is well protected. You can check out the link to watch the build video for it. So I'm super excited to go fly around some ice racers. Let's go check it out. Say hi, Greg.
Hi, Greg.
Be kind. Rewind. All right, let me hear this bad boy run.
Gotta let it warm up a little bit before I go to red line like that.
What does it weigh?
Like 3,000 pounds.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Stock motor.
Okay, I gotcha.
Some custom stuff.
Okay, so you just tweaked out this one as the stock one.
I basically made it run as good as it possibly can stock.
Nice.
And it does have intake, headers, Borla exhaust.
Brake lines, huh?
Yep.
Need the brakes.
We're gonna shred some ice. Well, we might as well check out the other motor. You guys want to see a rod?
This is what happens when you abuse gear.
Yeah, we were looking for it. We took a peek at it.
Right there.
Oh, damn.
That happened on Thanksgiving.
Oh,
This thing wrecked every piece. There was metal chunks in my air filter. It was a disaster. Add it to the junkyard.
I have my own drone parts junkyard that I don't like opening up to be reminded of all the money I've spent. Tell me about these studs.
These are the latest and greatest. If you have the right amount in the right locations, they don't break. They've just been dominating. Well, they're super fast and easy to stud. Doesn't take that long. I really have a good idea what I want to do for the next tire. That'll be for next year's surprise. But
Ooh, secrets. Let's go, let's blow these cars up and let's go get on the lake.
yeah, let's hit the lake.
Fly some drones, break some shit. Well, let's check out this shitty video today and don't like or subscribe or anything like that.
I would have to say the same thing. Like, don't like me, don't subscribe to me. Just, yeah. Why are you here? Why are you watching my videos? I'm just some dude on YouTube. Here we go!
True Minnesota straight here. Hey, look at that, he's out.
Welcome to OpenTX.
That's fine.
Hey, once I'm out, you want to shut that door?
Sure.
still recording. I'm ready to get out there.
Oh yeah, I'm down.
All right, we're just finishing up day one race day. Sun's about gone now. Greg Offerman's here. We're coming in for a good landing. This is the last pack of the day. He's confident. We had some motor issues earlier, but they're all resolved now. Placing motors in the field, it's always good, especially when you're on the lake. We'll see you guys tomorrow at race day.